Struggling with dry, damaged curls that feel rough and lifeless? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleanses but deeply hydrates and repairs your hair, leaving your curls soft, touchable, and full of life. Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo promises just that, a transformative experience for your hair, especially if you have tight curls or coarse textures that need extra care. What sets this shampoo apart is its unique, nourishing blend. With 100% aloe vera juice as the very first ingredient, it immediately soothes and hydrates your scalp and strands. Shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil work together to deeply quench dry hair, repairing damage while restoring softness and shine. Unlike many shampoos that strip moisture, this formula is sulfate-free and free from silicones, parabens, mineral oil, and synthetic dyes. That means you get pure, gentle care without harsh chemicals that weigh curls down or dull color-treated hair. I've seen firsthand how this shampoo changes the game for curly hair. After just a few washes, curls felt noticeably softer and more defined. The hydration lasts all day, making hair easier to manage and style. Plus, it's safe for daily use, so you can keep your curls healthy and glowing without worrying about buildup or dryness. Customers across the U.S. rave about its effectiveness, and the fact that it's more affordable online than in stores is a bonus. If you want curls that look and feel truly nourished, Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo is worth a look. It delivers what you need: deep moisture, repair, and softness without compromise. Try it when you're ready to give your curls the care they deserve and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant look every day.